pizza pie. And I spent so many nights just eating my tortang talong, and I grew so wrong. Because of my tortang talong, biglang I up from outer space. Nakita ko sabay, kinuha ko yung bus from outer space. Pinuksan ko at nasinda ko may pizza pie, sobrang laki. Tinikman ko within 5 seconds, naubos ko parang mali. Ngayon ako ay ganito. Kung di ka pizza hut or shakers, you're not welcome. Hina mo, ngayon sa aking pizza pie. Ayoko nang mahiwalay para sa'yo. Handa kong magpakamatay, but now I love you. Yeah, as far as I know I realize I want all my garlic beef, pepperoni, double cheese, ang pizza pie. Ang pizza pie, baby. Ko ang gas, naubos na lahat. Pakitapos ko. Ngunit ang pera hindi sapat, and I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself and made me cry. Wala na ba akong pizza pie? Ngayon ako ay nagipid. Hindi na ako yung stupid person na hindi nag-isip. Medyo mahal ang pizza pie, you can't expect it to be free. That's why I'm saving all my money para merong pambili. Ngayon ako ay ganito. Hindi ka pizza hut or shakers, you're not welcome. Hina mo, ngayon sa aking pizza pie. Ayoko nang mahiwalay para sa'yo. Handa kong magpakamatay, cause now I love my pizza pie, yeah. As long as I eat pizza pie, I know I'll be alive. I want all my garlic beef, pepperoni, double cheese, oh pizza pie, baby.